Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to enable contact syncing in your Gmail account. This is a helpful feature that ensures your contacts stay up to date across all your devices. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. If you don't have the app installed, make sure to download it from the Google Play Store. Once you're in the Gmail app, look for your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Next, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Manage Accounts on this device. This will take you to a screen where you can manage all the Google accounts linked to your device. Now, tap on the Gmail account you want to sync your contacts with. This will open up a new window with various settings and sync options for that particular account. To enable contact syncing, tap on Sync Account. Here, you'll see different options for syncing your data, including Gmail, Calendar, and Contacts. Finally, make sure to toggle on the option for Contacts. This ensures that your Gmail contacts will be synced across all your devices, and any updates will automatically reflect in your Gmail app. Once the contact sync is enabled, you're all set. Your contacts will now be automatically synced and updated across all devices linked to this Gmail account. If you follow these steps, you won't have to worry about losing or missing out on important contacts. Syncing contacts makes it easy to stay connected, no matter which device you're using. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.